collaboration with Crocs Classic Clog has brought the latest video game to life, Sega's popular Sonic the Hedgehog brand. After teasing a pair based on the main character of the game, a pair honoring Shadow has just been revealed. The CrosliteTM upper and slip-resistant sole unit are replaced with a series of images inspired by the digital world, bringing Shadow the Hedgehog to life as a shoe. The recently revealed pair of Sonic the Hedgehog Crocs has golden rings all over it, including the heel strap hinges, just like the previously mentioned model. The fictitious character appears on several JibbitzTM charms and is portrayed in various positions between right and left clogs. Rouge the Bat and Sonic-inspired ornamental attachments come with a Doctor Eggman emblem. Take a peek at the newest classic clog, which is inspired by video games. Shadow's pair should be available in adult and children's sizes on Crocs.com before the start of autumn.